Do you know what holiday is coming up?
Halloween!
That's right. So today we will show you how to make 3 easy and yummy Halloween snacks. Ooh. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's get started. First, we will be making Mummy hot dogs. You will need 1 roll of pastry, 6 hot dog sausages, 1 egg beaten, and some googly eyes. For our second snack, we will be making pumpkin treats. You will need 3 mandarins and 1 stalk of celery. And for our third snack, we will be making banana pretzel spiders. You will need 1 or 2 bananas, some raisins, and a few pretzel sticks. Let's start with the spooky Mummy hot dogs. Ooh! Step 1. Roll and cut the pastry into long strips. Step 2. Now wrap the pastry around the hot dog. Halloween is celebrated on the 31st of October each year. Step 3. Now brush the hot dogs with the egg. Then bake for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown at 180 degrees Celsius. And that's it! Spooky Mummy hot dogs. Yummy! Now let's make our pumpkin treats. Step 1. Peel the mandarins and cut the stalk of celery into smaller pieces. Step 2. Now place the celery stalks in the middle of the mandarin. Wow! That was only 2 easy steps. And finally, time to make the banana pretzel spiders. Step 1. Peel and cut the banana into medium-sized pieces. Step 2. Gently push a few pretzel sticks into the sides of the banana pieces. Did you know that people play pranks and tricks to scare each other on Halloween? Step 3. Gently press the raisins in the banana to make the spider's eyes. All done! 3 easy and yummy Halloween snacks. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.
I like the Mummy Hot Dogs. So let's taste it. So delicious! Wow! Now that was super fun!
And we are all ready for Halloween! So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Ooh. See you all next time. Goodbye and happy Halloween!